Hello everybody and welcome back. I am Prerna from the Urban Platter studio. Today we are going to make Italian biscotti. Now this cookie recipe is a little different from your other basic cookies recipe. But when you bake it twice, it is more on the crispy side and golden brown in color as well. You could totally use a variety of nuts like almonds, walnuts, but today we are going to use our newly launched California pistachios. You might be wondering why California pistachios. Well, California's soil is very rich in nutrients, so it helps us in getting the best produce. Urban Platter's California pistachios are a great example of those lightly roasted and salted nuts with a beautiful green and pink color. So now you know why we are using California pistachios. So let's get baking. Now that our biscotti dough is ready, I am going to bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Our biscottis are ready to bake for the second time. This time I am going to bake it at a lower temperature, that is 140 degrees Celsius, for about 10 to 12 minutes until they go a little brown on the edges and a little crispy. And our pistachio biscotti are ready, made with super basic ingredients, and the pistachios are adding a nice crunch and a trademark flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you want more such vegan baking content, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.